parang hindi alam. Parang ano, sa trend. Grabe. Pakaganda ng Singapore.
First time ba dito?
Nila. Oo.
Ikaw, pangilan mo na pangatlo.
Pangatlo. My third baby. This is my first international travel nang dinala mo ako dito. God is so good. I love you, Lord Jesus. Mommy, Daddy. Dinala ko sa dito. Thank you. Thank you. Kamusta yung piloto? Parang mas magaling pa si Ate G mag-drive dito. Parang hindi smooth, Ate G. Rin, sumakit ang ulo ko. Oras na. Touchdown at what time? Around 12, we touched down at around 12:30.
Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Singapore. Local time is 14 minutes past midnight and the date today is November 15, 2025. Ground temperature is recorded at 27 degrees Celsius. Remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive
Yun, nakikita na
clearance
rin ako ng
to do so.
Kitty love.
May we
Yun,
remind
double
you to take
decker.
precautions
Yun,
in
ayun
opening
yung
the
malaking
overhead
Emirates.
storage bins
Oh my God,
and
nakakita na rin ako. Oo, yung malaki yun, double
during
deck.
the flight.
Oh my God, first time na nakakita ng E3.
Passengers who need assistance,
Laki talaga
please
naman pala
approach
siya na.
our cabin
Sobrang
crew
laki.
and ground staff who will be happy to assist. On behalf of Captain Antonio Salgado